Hi crafty friends, Lacey here, the Cheeky Bub, back with another embellishment box swap reveal. Sorry, Halloween embellishment box swap reveal. And this one is from Glory Ann. Again, I will link everybody's information. Well, I guess it's just Glory Ann's information down below. But she's got two swaps, and then she's got this little guy. It doesn't have my name on it, but I assume there's not two of them there, So I love the little mummy coffin. And here we have a little clay bit mix and some cute little flowers. We have a bunch of charms. Look at there. They're busting out of the bag. There's so many in here. So let's kind of look at them. I'm guessing a lot of these will be in her embellishment boxes as well. So we have, ooh, look at that pumpkin one. That's really cute. We have a little skelly guy. We have a little pumpkin kitty, a little witch hat. We have a little bat. I have these two. They're so cute. We have this little pumpkin guy. I don't know if I've seen this kind of jack-o'-lantern yet. Isn't it crazy? We still see new things. And then we have some skelly bears. They're so cute. And then this one's neat too. I like these little acrylic pieces. Little bone. Ooh, this is a cool skeleton guy. And then we have other little things. Another little bone. And then we have a little cauldron, a little candy corn, and some cool spider web beads with a spider bead. Very, very, very cute. I appreciate that. And then we have this cool beaded pen. I love these spooky babe beads. They're so cool. I really like them. A little ghosty. So many goodies. Let's open up her box. I'm super excited. Look at her cute packaging. She's got this bat keychain on here. I seen somebody haul this, and I don't know if it was her or not. I seen somebody haul these bats, and they're so cute. And she's even got a jingle bell on there as well. So let me open this real quick. So much fun confetti and shred. But look at her little sleeve that she's created. It's so cute. This is so cute. So she's got this little pocket on the back, and this is holding her shakers. So we have a little potion or poison shaker. She's got orange, contrasting orange stitching, which just stands out. It's gorgeous. I'm so still jelly of you sewing girlies because I still have yet to even try. We have this coffin shaker. Little kitty on it, so cute. And then here's the other side. I love this. She's got a little dangle down here. She's got a little ghosty on here, and a couple other little beads. This is so cute. I'm guessing it's magnetic. Look at that. Love her use of acetate. This is so clever. You know how many embellishment box sleeves I've created and messed up? Not that long ago, I sent out my final summer vibe swap, and it was an embellishment box, and I created the box. I put it on my chair because I was cleaning up, and I sat on it and totally squished it, and I ended up having to improvise and just put it in a little tote. But this is so cute. This is perfect. I need to go stalk your channel and see if you have a little tutorial on this, because everybody's gonna want to make these because this is so stinking cute. Love the paper she's used. Everything is so cute. Here's her box. She's just made a little stitched shaker on the top as well, and then she's used these sequin trims. So cute. All right, so inside her embellishment box, she's got her information. Again, I will link everything down below. She's got some of the spooky babe beads. Well, this one's Stay Spooky. This one's Spooky Babe. I love these beads. They're so cute. She's got a little, one of those little skeleton jack-o'-lantern pumpkins. She's got some skeletons in here. A little stripy bead. Ooh, look at this pink pumpkin. That's cute. Oh, there's another little jack-o'-lantern guy. We have a little kitty, bones. And then look at these cute little creepy like popsicles. Aren't those cute? Oh, this guy's cute too. I don't think I've seen this guy before. A flat back. And then she's got some little nail beads in here. One of the little spooky ghost. She's got some stars. She's got one of those little crossbone flatbacks. She's got some holographic beads in here. Jack one, some spiders, jack-o'-lantern, a ghost. And she's got some little charms here. Some of these like acrylic type of charms that she had gifted me as well. Love those. They're neat. Ooh, these are, I don't think I've seen this guy either. This little ghosty bead. I've seen these ones. These ones are really cute as well. A gummy bear, a witch hat. Ooh, that witch hat is really cute too. And then down here, she's got some more. Oh, look at the little kitty ghost. Ooh, I don't think I've seen this potion bottle yet either. A little mummy ghost. A little pumpkin hat. And then I think I've seen this skull before. But I love the skeleton. I love the skeleton charm and this like stacked pumpkin. They're so cute. We got this jack-o'-lantern lollipop. That's a good size. And then just a bunch of, oh, there's another. We got a bat. We have a skeleton hand. We have a cat and a pumpkin. Oh, we have this little bat cat. He's cute. We have a ghosty, jack-o'-lantern, these little skelly guys. I love these. I have a bunch of those. Little witch, a couple little witches. This little girly skeleton. Another cat. I love all the cat charms. Ghosty. A little mummy. Another little ghosty. And some of the more of the little nail charms. I think they kind of go in that one. So cute. Again, I am like in love with this sleeve that you've created. Like, this is the coolest thing ever. This is so cute. Love this. Even if you didn't have magnets, you could definitely do Velcro if you wanted, but I love a magnetic closure. I try to do them as much as I can. But this is really cute. Please make sure you go give her some crafty love. I'm definitely going to go stalk her page and see if she's got a tutorial on this. If she does, I'll try to link it down below. But thank you for joining us swap, and we will see you in the next swap reveal. Bye, guys.